Hey everybody. So a lot of people wanted me to do a clean with me video. Reggie still didn't get rid of our Christmas tree. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. Elijah's asleep right now, so I'm gonna see how much I can clean up before he wakes up. It's not really dirty in here. Just got some pillows that needs to be put up. I got a vacuum. And I'm gonna clean the kitchen. I'm gonna mop the floor, vacuum. I like to clean up at least every single day. So when people ask me to do this video, I was like, okay, cool, because I clean up a lot. I like to make sure my floors are clean, my kitchen's clean at night. So I'm just kind of go over and show you what I do in the kitchen for at nighttime. Let's go. So I just wanted to show y'all. While I clean up, I like to watch either Netflix or I like to watch one of my sermons. But today, last night Reggie showed me that Grace and Frankie is back on Netflix. So that is what I'm about to watch. I love Jane Fonda. So if y'all haven't watched Grace and Frankie on Netflix, y'all have to. It's so funny. All right, you guys, so I hope that you like this video. I already kind of cleaned up Elijah's room. I just have to put those clothes up on his chair. But I hope that you guys like this video. This is my first time doing a clean with me, so please let me know what I can do better, what you want to see more of. But like I said, I normally clean the house every day, so I didn't really have to do much. Let me know if you use any of those products, and let me know if you want to see a DIY of how I make my cleaning product that I showed you. So yeah, I did this video. I normally wouldn't do it, but I did it because people requested it. So let me know if you like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification to get more updates from when we post videos. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. I'm gonna go get Elijah's bottle ready because he should be waking up anytime soon. Also, my mom called me yesterday and she told me, hey, you didn't shout me out for helping with these blocks. Her and my grandfather, I meant to say, helped make those blocks for my baby shower, and she also made some parachute things that I have to get from her house. When she gives me those, I'm gonna show you guys on camera. My mom and my grandfather did these blocks, and my dad handmade this chest. So if you want to see more of Elijah's room, I can do a more like tour like video when I get everything completely done with his room. Make sure you like this video if you would like to see a tour, and also if you like this video. So thanks guys for watching. Bye.